Hi, good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, May the 25th, 2024. We have here 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. 1 of them I've already solved, the 4-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The tectonic, the binary with 4 stars, and the Killer Sudoku. It's time for the Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number 8598. And we have here 2 given numbers. The 6 in this triple box of, not triple box, quadra box of 26. That means that those 3 boxes together should be 20. 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. Here, the given number 8 in this quadra box of 16, that means that those 3 boxes together should be 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. For Killer Sudoku, I need my average time 20 to 30 minutes. If you compare with the 1-star, 2-stars, 3-stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional, this should be a 3-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1 sharing box. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Let's go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 10 is 27. 27 plus 9 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1. Okay. Let's go to this big square. 11 plus 10 is 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. 45 minus 37, yeah, an 8. In the box of 15, the combination will be 8 plus 7. Okay, this is completed. Let's see this big square. Count all these numbers. I will know what number this will be. Double 13 is 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. 35 plus 8 is 43. 43 is 40. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box should be a 2. In the box of 7, the combination will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, let's go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 13 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. In the box of 5, the combination will be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only 1 combination. Let's go to this big square. The box of 4, only 1 combination. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Let me mark those. Let me see. The box of 3, only 1 combination. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let me see. Okay, now my next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. Let's go to this big square. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 4 plus 1 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 is already used in this row, so I cannot place the 4 and the 1 here. So it should be the 2 and the 3. Well, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay. Need a 5 here. I need a 7 here also. In this row, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10. Otherwise, I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I cannot place the 7 there. Otherwise, the combination will be 7 plus 3. The 3 is already used in this row. So the 7 cannot be there in the box of 10. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have now 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 9. Otherwise, combination will be 4 plus 5. The 4 is already used in this big square. So the 5 should be in the box of 13. Combination 5 and the 8. 5 and 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. In the 5 here. Okay. And 3. 3 and a 5. Okay. Let me see. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. I cannot place the 9 in one of these boxes of 9. Of course, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. So it should be in the box of 13. Combination 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 4 goes at there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. Cannot place the 9 in the box of 8, should be in the box of 13, combination 9 and a 4, 9 and 4. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 6 then. Alright. Then, let me see. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the first column. Only 3 places left, the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, so the 2 should be in a box of 9, this box of 9. Combination 7 and 2, 7 and 2. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 should be in the box of 9. Combination 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Well, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be an 8 and more. This box should be a 1, that box should be an 8. Okay, 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Combination here in the box of 8 should be 3 and a 5. Then 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 goes in the box of 9, combination 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 3 and 6, we have 3 in this column, third column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. And 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 6 and a 7. Alright. And now, in this big square we have a box of 6. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 1 plus 5. Well, the 1 is already used in this big square. And the other option is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. Alright, and now. Let me think. Come on. 2 and 1. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 14. Should be in the box of 7. We have 2 boxes of 14. So the combination here will be 3 and a 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be in a 4 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Okay. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 should be in this box of 14. Combination 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, 4, 5 is missing 5 and a 9. Alright. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column. Only 3 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 should be in the box of 13. Combination 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have the box of 10 now and a box of 11. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is the number 9. So it should be in the box of 10. Combination 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing 4, and the 7. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7, last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left of 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, so the only place left of 7 should be here. In the box of 11, combination will be 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So now we have 2 boxes left, the box of 11 and the box of 10 in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So it should be here in the box of 11. Combination 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 5 and an 8. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 8 again should be 26, yeah. Alright. Okay. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 3 places left, 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. The only place left 3 should be here. In a box of 9, combination will be 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Then 7 and 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 3 places left 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. The only place left 6 should be there. In the box of 13, combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So 1 is left in this big square for the number 5. In the box of 13, the combination will be 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Then let me think. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 12. 12 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 1 should be here. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the last row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So these 2 boxes together should be a 7. Then. Okay. 8 and a 5, overlook this 8. We already have an 8 in this row, so this box should be an 8. That box should be a 5. Okay, so here 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 2. Ooh, yeah. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. In the box of 13, combination with 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So we have 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 4 plus 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and 2, we have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, 2 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and a 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish. 16 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. 3 stars, no, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.